In cozy mysteries, the antagonist plays a pivotal role. A well-crafted villain can elevate a cozy mystery from charming to utterly captivating. They are the catalysts for intrigue, weaving deception and keeping secrets that tantalize readers until the very last page. Instead of sinister masterminds, they are often ordinary members of society, blending seamlessly into the idyllic setting. Their motives are rarely driven by pure malice. Rather, they are fueled by desperation, greed, or a desire to protect their own secrets. Cozy mystery villains possess a certain charm, a mischievous glint in their eye that makes them almost endearing, despite their criminal intent. They are masters of deception, but their crimes are rarely motivated by pure malice. Think of them as mischievous tricksters rather than hardened criminals. They might steal a priceless heirloom, sabotage a local competition, or even resort to murder. But their actions are often driven by desperation or a desire to protect their own secrets. They are often pillars of the community, the friendly shopkeeper, the gossipy neighbor, the respected doctor, hiding their true intentions behind a veneer of normalcy. This juxtaposition of charm and mischief is what makes cozy mystery villains so intriguing. Their crimes, while reprehensible, are often committed with a touch of whimsy and cunning, making them strangely captivating. Literature is replete with examples of brilliantly crafted, cozy mystery villains who have captured our imaginations. One such example is Charles Augustus Milverton, the master blackmailer from the Sherlock Holmes series, whose cunning and ruthlessness make him a formidable adversary. Another memorable cozy villain is Professor Moriarty, the criminal mastermind and Holmes's arch-nemesis, whose intellect and strategic mind pose a constant threat. Holmes's world is populated by quirky and often suspicious characters, each with their own secrets and motivations. From jealous rivals to greedy relatives, Holmes encounters a wide array of villains, each adding their own unique flavor to the cozy mystery mix. These memorable villains share several key characteristics. They are intelligent and resourceful, often staying one step ahead of the detective. And perhaps most importantly, they are entertaining, their antics adding a touch of humor and absurdity to the otherwise serious business of solving crimes. Section 4. Crafting your cozy culprit, tips and tricks. Creating a compelling cozy mystery villain is a delicate balancing act. You want a character who is both believable and entertaining, someone who can blend into the charming world of your story while still posing a credible threat to your protagonist. Just like the quaint villages and charming towns that serve as the backdrop for your stories, your villain should feel like they belong in this world. They might be the owner of the local bookstore, the president of the garden club, or the town busybody, but their position within the community should feel organic and believable. Give your villain a motive that, while reprehensible, is rooted in human emotions and desires. Don't be afraid to make your villain quirky and memorable. These little details will help bring your villain to life and make them more than just a one-dimensional bad guy. Section 5. The Art of Subtlety, Clues, and Red Herrings. In cozy mysteries, overt violence and gore are eschewed in favor of clever deductions and subtle clues. Your villain should be a master of deception, their crimes committed with finesse and cunning. Their motives should be shrouded in mystery, their actions open to multiple interpretations. Red herrings, those false trails designed to mislead the reader and our amateur sleuth, are an essential ingredient in any good cozy mystery. These can take many forms. A suspicious character who turns out to be innocent, a seemingly damning piece of evidence that leads to a dead end, or a sudden revelation that throws the entire investigation into disarray. Your villain's actions should be devious, clever, and thought-provoking, leaving the reader marveling at their audacity even as they condemn their crimes. Section 6. Staying true to the genre, avoiding darkness. While every good story needs conflict, it's important to remember that cozy mysteries are meant to be light and engaging reads, offering a temporary escape from the harsh realities of the world. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid themes that are overly dark, violent, or disturbing. Your villain's crimes should be appropriate for the cozy mystery genre. Theft, blackmail, and even murder are all acceptable, but avoid graphic depictions of violence or delving into the darkest recesses of the human psyche. The focus should remain on the puzzle of the crime, the witty banter between the characters, and the charming setting. While your villain should be a credible threat, they should also be a character that readers can enjoy disliking. someone whose crimes are outweighed by their charm, wit, and undeniable entertainment value. Section 7. Conclusion. Unleash your inner cozy villain creator. Crafting the perfect cozy mystery villain is a delightful challenge, one that allows you to explore the complexities of human nature within the safe confines of a charming and engaging genre. By striking the right balance between charm and mischief, creating a cast of intriguing suspects, and weaving a tapestry of subtle clues and red herrings, you can create a villain that will captivate your readers and leave them guessing until the very last page. Remember, the best cozy mystery villains are those who are both believable and entertaining. Characters who are rooted in the familiar world of the story while still possessing a unique spark of mischief. So embrace the challenge, unleash your inner cozy villain creator, and watch as your stories come to life with a delightful blend of charm, intrigue, and of course, a dash of murder.